We're walking here next to the harbor of Ponta Delgada. There's a nice little old fort here. Looks pretty cool. And yeah, it's going to be the last day of the São Miguel Island. We're going to visit the Vista do Rei, which means the view of the king. That's going to be exciting. So you can see it's a bit of a rainy day today, but one of the most amazing things about this island is that you can be at the shoreline and it's completely sunny, and then you go inland and you go through the mountains and it's raining and clouds there. So let's see what the weather is like at the viewpoint. Yeah, very excited for this last day in São Miguel. Let's enjoy. Let's have a good one today. See ya. Yep, it's officially raining. Whew. Sure hope the weather's gonna change, otherwise it's gonna be a long and wet hike. I'm standing here in maybe one of the most eerie places of my life. I'm at the top of an abandoned hotel. It's very misty, and then you have this view. Pretty scary. We're here at the most famous viewpoint of São Miguel, at the Vista do Rei, and there's an abandoned hotel here. It was built in the 70s and it was operational for only 2 years. And they say, yeah, enter at your own risk due to risk of collapse. So means we gotta see what it's like in there. It smells pretty bad. Alright, we're standing here in the middle of the lake. Still a lot of fog, a lot of mist. So it feels very airy, it's very quiet, very beautiful. Just flew the drone, couldn't fly too much through the fog. I was afraid that it would get too wet and crash down. But had some fun flying through these little trees here. And hopefully the fog will clear up soon so we can give you some more shots. But for now, let's enjoy the quiet of this beautiful place. It's actually the perfect place for some meditation. Pretty crazy, this island keeps surprising us. So apparently we're walking on one of the two only tea plantations in all of Europe. And we just went to the tea factory and tasted some of the tea. It's absolutely delicious. So there's only 2 tea plantations in Europe. This is one of them. And the other one is 5 minutes down the road. So if you ever see European tea somewhere, you know that it comes right here from São Miguel in the Azores. Hello! We are here at the Snapchat lake. It's got the name Snapchat lake because apparently it looks like the Snapchat icon. Now, I don't have Snapchat, but if you think that's true, let me know. We're here at the top, the Ponto do Inferno. We are racing here to catch the sunrise, because if there's one thing more beautiful than a sundown, it's the sunrise. But I forgot the SD card of my camera, so you got your drone. We're still gonna fly the drone. We got each other, so let's just enjoy the moment. Let's enjoy it together. Oh my god, guys. Oh, the battery was drained. And we just made it back to the top. It was very scary. But I'm so happy I got it back. If it was a little bit higher, then it wouldn't have worked. Battery's completely fucked now. But we got the drone back, we got the footage. We're here at this most amazing view of the world. So it's been an awesome trip. Woohoo! Yes! Okay, here we are. Final sunset of the Azores. Leaving back to Lisboa tomorrow. It's been an amazing few days. It's truly amazing how beautiful this island is. And only 2-hour flight from Europe. This island has it all. It has the beautiful shore, volcanic rocks, thermal pools. It has beautiful lakes, amazing nature and nice waterfalls. So yeah, we really recommend visiting the Azores and São Miguel especially. Isn't that right, Michiel?
Yeah, it's my island, you know, guys.
Exactly.
It's my island.
So we hope you have a nice time and we see you on the next one. Cheers.